Would you like to get a 30-day Kartra trial just like that? Let me show you how. Here are the steps. Click on our link, then click on Plans and Pricing, then wait for a few seconds, accept the 30-day extension offer, and you get a free funnel from us. Let me show you how. Take your browser to www.fastvanow.com. Scroll down a bit and find 30-day $1 Kartra trial. Click on it. Or you can actually go directly to fastvanow.com/30. This page explains the exact steps you need to take to extend your Kartra trial to 30 days. You can click on this panel or scroll down and click on the link to take you to Kartra website. From here, select Plans and Pricing and give it a little bit of time to load. How do you know that it's done? Wait until you see this icon at the bottom left. Accept your cookies if this is the first time you're accessing this site. And here's the magic. Pretend that you are just about to close the page. And you should get this window, yes, double my trial to 30 days. Provide your billing information. Click on Continue. Select Continue and note that you are on a silver plan that you can downgrade to a regular plan before the 30-day time period expires. You don't have to change it to any other plan at this moment. Provide credit card information. Agree to the billing terms, and you can see it's $1 for the first 30 days, and then you can change your plan or cancel at any time. Submit the payment of $1. Wait until the payment is processed and select your Kartra nickname. Now this nickname will be merged with the kartra.com domain, and until you replace it with your final domain, it will be visible on all pages produced and created in Kartra. So choose wisely. And this name cannot be changed, or the only way to hide it is to get a custom domain later. So I'm going to select mine and provide this information, and we'll go to the next step. Click on the next button. And review the information on the next page. You can hire an expert help. The information is in here. Or you can simply click on the login button to get into your Kartra. Accept the terms of service. Watch a short introductory video. And welcome to Kartra. Your billing now is set for 30 days. You can review that information under your profile, billing, and observe that, you can dismiss this, observe that the silver plan right here at $199 can actually in this moment be downgraded to a starter plan, which is only $99 a month. So I'm going to downgrade my account. Proceed. Do you want to change your Kartra plan? Yes. My plan has been changed. And my plan has been downgraded to a starter plan at $99.